Today, there's a major revolution with Nano Banana Pro in image generation, but especially in PowerPoint generation. So everyone's talking about infographics, everyone's talking about images, it's fantastic. But today, there's something that's gone a bit under the radar, and that's Nano Banana Pro's ability to integrate into PowerPoint generation. And look here, for example, I'm on Gamma. Nowadays, pretty much everyone knows Gamma. It's for generating PowerPoints. It's very nice. You can give it text. But there's a little element here. It's going to be trying the studio mode. So very few people have used it, but in the end, it's really something extraordinary. I've never seen anything like it, and it's quite fantastic. You can see that I can ask for a certain number of slides, but if I look here, for example, I'll have the classic mode where I can edit elements, move them. It's a bit like a PowerPoint. But here, it's going to tell me that every slide created will be an image. And you might think that's a bit far-fetched. What does it all mean? Well, I can show you that with this mode, just by giving a bit of info, every slide here is an image, so I can't edit the text. But I'll be able to generate a PowerPoint in a few seconds of quite impressive quality with my brand identity, of course, which I can integrate into Gamma and have truly fantastic visuals. And this, in fact, was done thanks to the power of Nano Banana Pro. Actually, it's Nano Banana Pro that generates the images and each slide. If I click on it, double-click, I can see that the model that's going to be used is Nano Banana Pro right here, that it cost me 10 credits per image, so that's still okay, but it's going to follow, in fact, all this text to generate the exact visual for me. So I didn't decide this, it's directly the AI, but it still did a job that's quite fantastic. There you can see, once again, all these visuals, but the thing is the fact that it was created without my input, so without me needing to prompt to try to explain the elements, it's quite fantastic. What's also going to be interesting is that in the end, all these visuals are super vibrant, and what I like even more is that these visuals, beyond being vibrant, are full-fledged pieces of content. I can download them, let's say, you can see here, and use them as a piece of content. So in fact, once again, there's a whole effort to maximize value thanks to artificial intelligence, which is we've already generated a PowerPoint, might as well keep using it. And here you can see that the visuals are really high quality, so we might as well be able to repost them on social media and all that. So I think it's really fabulous. And if I show you another example, you can see that, look, with a style that's completely different, we still have visuals that are super well done, parts that are well separated, information, and I don't necessarily see many spelling mistakes, which is often the problem we have in general with artificial intelligence. We really have something of very, very high quality, very vibrant and very unique too, if I may say so. I really like what I see here. It's even, look, we have the little Gemini logo. I didn't ask for it, but it managed to find it. It did something very, very nice for me. I imagine Gemini, well, Nano Banana Pro knows its own logo, so to speak, so it did a very good job for me. And in the end, I have visuals that are top quality. And I can use that once again. So here it says phase 2. It might be a bit more complicated. But for example, automatic SWOT generation. There we go, piece of content. I'll send it and we're looking good. And this, I think it's really perfect. The kind of visual it manages to create like this, for example, it's just mind-blowing. And this, in fact, is only the beginning. One of the things that's going to be interesting too is that everyone's talking about Nano Banana Pro today for infographics, images, visuals. I mean, it's nice, to change clothes. It's great if that's your job. But for me, for example, PowerPoints, reporting and all that, that's more my line of work. And being able to have something so lively, done so quickly, and especially with Gamma's artificial intelligence, which will be integrated directly here, allowing me to modify the entire presentation directly, it's going to change things for me, especially when training. Well, I've trained many companies today in artificial intelligence. Having this kind of tool is really going to change things. By the way, don't hesitate. So this is a use case, right? I'm showing it to you in Gamma. There's Nano Banana Pro in the description. There'll be a little manual that I'm giving you, so don't hesitate to go check it out. I'm giving it to you. There are really quite a few use cases that could be useful for you, so this is one of them. That way you have everything in one place, and we can continue moving forward together. But in any case, really great visuals, really very unique. I can put in my graphic charter, my colors, my style, I mean really everything, and I think what's been done is really perfect. So I'll leave you with that. I think it's really great. I just wanted to show you that Nano Banana Pro today is well integrated into software like this one. And in any case, we'll meet again for the rest in the next videos. Keep looking in the description. There's the little link, and I'll see you very soon. Goodbye.